Hi everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I'm Palak Khandelwal as your guide. Today we will be discussing most important MCQ for 30th of December 2021 which are related to the current affairs of banking, economics and financial sector. These CDs will be extremely beneficial to everyone preparing for banking exam such as IBPS, SBI, RBI Grade B and other banking and finance related papers. Let's start with the very first question. Which bank entered into a co-lending agreement with Lending Card Finance Limited with focus on digital underwriting and cash flow based lending? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Punjab National Bank. So recently Punjab National Bank has entered into a co-lending agreement with Lending Card Finance Limited. So this is the fourth co-lending agreement by PNB. Under this agreement, both the entities will focus on digital underwriting and cash flow based lending. Apart from that, they will work to benefit Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise, also known as MSME. The MSME will be able to avail funds at an affordable rate to execute their task. Okay, let's move on to some key takeaways for all competitive exam. The headquarters of PNB situated in New Delhi. Apart from that, MD and CEO of PNB is SS Malika Arjun Rao. The tagline of PNB is the name you can bought upon. Now, question number 2. Which organization has formed an agreement with the West Bengal government to improve the state MSME ecosystem? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is SIDBI. The full form of SIDBI is Small Industry Development Bank of India. So recently, the memorandum of undertaking was signed to develop the MSME ecosystem in West Bengal. In this regard, the SIDBI's project management unit will work to develop MSME in the state. The PMU will analyze current strategy and framework of MSME in the state and will accordingly guide stakeholders to develop sector-specific products. Apart from that, it will support the MSME with funds, marketing strategy, digital platforms, etc. Okay, let's move on. Some key takeaways for all competitive exam. SIDBI founded on 2nd of April in year 1990. Okay. The headquarters situated in Lucknow in UP. Now the third question. Which entity has NPC partnered with to encourage its employee continuous learning and skill development? The correct answer of this question is option A, that is Udemy Business. So recently the National Payment Corporation of India, that is NPCI, has partnered with Udemy Business to encourage continuous learning and skill development of NPCI employee. The partnership will be executed for 3 years. Apart from that, Udemy Business will offer courses that will boost the technological professional leadership skills for the employee of NPCI. Do remember the headquarters of NPCI situated in Mumbai. Now question number 4. Who organized the Logistic ULIP Hackathon? The correct answer of this question is option D, that is NITI, Ayogya and Atal Innovation Mission. So recently the Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade launched, which is a unified logistic interference platform hackathon. It aims to exchange the penetration of ideas that will benefit the logistics sector and industry. Apart from that, it will also supported by National Industrial Corridor Development Corporation and NICDC Logistic Data Bank Service Limited. Okay, so basically the hackathon will allow everyone to showcase their strategic, coding and domain skills to boost efficiency and solve issues being faced in the logistics sector. Okay, now let's see our fifth question. With which state has Hop Electric Mobility signed a memorandum of undertaking to establish electric vehicle manufacturing plant? The correct answer of this question is option B, that is Rajasthan. So recently the Hop Electric Mobility has signed MOU with the Rajasthan government. The MOU was signed to expand its product portfolio and product capacity. Under this MOU, An electric vehicle manufacturing plant will be set up in Jaipur city in Rajasthan. Apart from that, the MAU sign discussion was made during the Dubai Expo 2021. The electric vehicle manufacturing plant will be developed 1.8 lakhs vehicles per annum. This will boost e-mobility, will reduce its population and also help in generating employment. Around rupees 100 crore will be invested by the company in this project. Okay, now start with the important question. Here on the slide, you can see 5 questions that are extremely useful in your banking exam preparation. So pause the video and try to solve each of these questions. And at the end of the lecture, do not forget to share your score in the comment section. So please be honest and do not cheat with yourself. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this session. These were the important news and events for today which are related to the business, economics and financial sector. We meet again with some more important current affairs. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and please do not forget to subscribe GK Today.